Alright guys, well welcome back to Kayak fishing. We're gonna try to catch a fish today. Today was this morning I woke up, it was raining. It's like I want to go out catch a fish, but this weather's crappy. And then as I started getting up, I was gonna edit some videos, put them together, and then I'm sitting there and said I gotta go fishing. So I got on X Fish and started looking, and I found this little lake. It's about a 45-acre lake or so. So we're gonna see if we can't catch some fish today. Come on boys, let's go get them. That's the way to start it right there, baby. Not a bad one. Been here 5 minutes. That's a good one right there. I'll take it. Just get him back up out of here. That's a good one. Not bad for being here less than 5 minutes. I think I'm good with that. So let's get him back in there and go catch some more. That's a good one. 15 1/4. There he goes off. Take that. First. That was a crazy one. I backlashed. Got it out. I guess just that chatterbait sitting on it, he picked it up and got him in. Let's catch some more. It's a good start. Oh, big one. We'll take it. He's warm. Little bitty one. That was a very big one, but it's another one. There she goes. Let's get some more. Another 14 inches or so. where you're at. Number 3, not a bad one. I love it, man. Don't get no better than that. That's a good one. That's a good one. Yes, sir. That's the biggest one today. That's a good one. That's 4. Boom, 16 inches. Yes, sir. One more. Get on there. Inches. There we go. Oh man, yes. Board, little bitty one. Might be the same one. Guys, here we are again, finishing up another day of fishing. The weather was not great. The wind was blowing. It was cold. I got cold. That's why I'm leaving. Not out of fish a little bit more, but it's sprinkled a little bit. A little misty came out, and then I really got cold. So I don't like the cold. But good day of fishing. Caught some fish. Can't wait to get home and start putting some videos out. I got a bunch to edit and get ready, so they should be coming your way soon. Thanks, guys. Keep on watching. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and we'll get home and get this all edited up and sent out to you. Thanks, guys.